Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold the light button, keep holding it, and after, I don't know, 10 seconds, about 10 seconds, the watch should turn off. Once the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.